The next is a reference phenomenon. So how to reference phenomenon? The set of the reference phenomenon that natural languages provide is a quite rich indeed. 5 types of the referring expressions, that is indefinite noun phrase, definite noun phrase, pronouns, demonstratives, and one anaphora. These are the some type of the reference phenomena. 3 types of the referent that complicate the reference resolution problem, that creates the problem, is inferables, discontinuous sets, and generics. So the first one is a indefinite noun phrases. So that is indefinite noun phrases, just like example, I saw an acura integra today. So this is the indefinite type of the noun phrases. We will not clear the idea. So this will create the reference phenomenon. Second is definite noun phrases. The example are the integra was white. So this noun phrases is the definite noun phrases. The third one is the pronouns. The third type of the definite reference phenomenon are number 3rd, that is equal to pronouns. So here the examples are John went, example, John went to Bob's party, and parked next beautiful Acura Integra. So here is also, this is the pronouns case, so this will also create the reference phenomena. Next is the demonstratives. Number 4 is demonstrative. So demonstrative will also give you the different types of the reference problems. Examples are integra is quite beautiful. So this is the demonstrative one. So this will also create, and then this is reference to this one we are using. Then next is number 4 is anaphora. So anaphora, one anaphora, or you can say that one anaphora. So this will create the one anaphora exemplified in blend properties of definite and indefinite references. For example, I saw no less than 6 Acura Integras today. Now I want one. This use of one can be roughly paraphrased by one of them. So when you are using the one anaphora or one sentence you are using, then it's create the reference phenomenon. The last one is a inferable. Now that we want to describe several types of the referring expression, we now turn on attention to few interesting types of the referents that complicates the reference resolution problem. First, we consider cases in which a referring expression does not refer to an entity that has been explicitly evoked in the next, but instead one that is invariably related to an evoked entity. Such referents are called as inferables. That means in some cases it is not referred, but in the second case it is referred. That creates the reference resolution problems. The last one is discontinuous sets. Discontinuous sets. In some cases, references using plural references expression like they and they refer to set entities that are evoked together. For instance, using another plural expressions or conjoined noun phrases, they drive them all the time. However, plural references may also refer to set of entities that have been evoked by the discontinuous phrases. So, these discontinuous sets of the data will also generate the reference phenomenon, and it will create the discourse, and isolated things will be happen. So in this way, in the today's lecture, we have seen the discourse, that is the reference resolutions, and what are the particular criteria they are using. So there is a number of the 6 criteria and then reference phenomena. So this is an important topic. Thank you for hearing this lecture. Thank you.